Before you touch a tool in the pattern making shop, let's get real about safety. This isn't a formality, it's about keeping your body intact. Workshops are full of hazards. Sharp tools, powerful machines, choking dust and deafening noise. Your health and the safety of everyone around you come first. No job is worth an injury. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is your armor. Goggles, dust masks, ear defenders and steel-toed boots are non-negotiable. Ditch loose clothing and jewelry. They're accidents waiting to happen. Machines demand respect. Never remove safety guards and always know where the emergency stops are. Use lockout, tag-out procedures for maintenance. Never assume a machine is safe until you've checked. Think before you switch anything on. Keep your workspace tidy. Clutter causes accidents. Dispose of waste properly. Wood dust is a fire risk, and chemicals need special handling. Read safety data sheets for any chemicals you use. Good work is safe work. Quality and safety go hand in hand. Being a professional means respecting the craft and yourself. Take safety seriously. It's the mark of a true pattern maker. Don't cut corners, even if you're in a rush. If you see something unsafe, speak up. Look after your tools and your environment. Safety isn't just a rule, it's a mindset. Every day, every job, make it your top priority. That's how you build a career, not just a pattern. Safety sorted? Good. Now before you start, inspect your pattern or drawing like a pilot checks their plane. Patterns are the DNA of the final part. If they're off, everything's off. Study the drawings and specs. Know your critical dimensions and tolerances. Check for cracks, warps, or wear. Don't trust that it's fine just because it was used before. Clean off old sand, dust, or grime. Minor repairs? Fix them if you're qualified. Major damage? Report it. Don't risk a bodge job. For mold work, apply a release agent if needed. Keep records of what you find and what you fix. Communicate any issues with your team or supervisor. Good notes and clear communication prevent mistakes. This attention to detail is the start of quality control. Be thorough, your reputation starts here. Prep right and you'll save yourself a world of trouble. Don't rush in, plan your job before you start. Know what you're making, how many you need, and what the pattern's for. Choose the right material. Pine for basics. Gelutong or hardwood for stability. Resin or metal for durability. Consider grain, shrinkage, and cost. Gather sharp, well-maintained tools. Blunt tools are dangerous and sloppy. Check your power tools. Safe cables, guards in place, right blades for the job. Have your measuring and marking tools ready. Accuracy is everything. Set up a clean, organized workspace with good lighting and ventilation. Make sure you have room to work safely and efficiently. Think through your workflow. Where will each step happen? Preparation is half the job. A little planning now saves a lot of headaches later. Get ready, get organized, and you'll work smarter and safer. Time for machines. Bandsaws, lathes, mills, sanders, they're powerful but only as safe as you make them. Do pre-used checks. Power supply, undamaged cords, secure guards, no loose parts. Listen for odd noises or vibrations. Don't ignore warning signs. Set up the right blades or cutters, and make sure they're sharp and tight. Adjust speeds and feeds for your material. Wrong settings can ruin tools and workpieces. Always check the manual or workshop guide if you're unsure. Before using your good material, make test cuts on scrap. Measure and inspect. Adjust until you get perfect results. Calibration isn't wasted time, it's quality control. Never assume a machine is ready. Check every time. Safe setup means better work and fewer mistakes. Respect the machines, they'll respect you back. Get it right before you start, and you'll save time and material. Wood is classic for pattern making, easy to shape, affordable but tricky if you ignore its quirks. Know your timber pine for basics, gelutong or yellow cedar for stability. Mark out your design with sharp tools. Accuracy here is non-negotiable. Measure twice. Cut once, mistakes multiply fast. Use the right saws, planes, chisels and lathes for each job. Let the tool do the work, don't force it. Shape each part with patience and precision. Assemble components with glue, screws or dowels. Accuracy matters at every step. Sand all surfaces smooth. Apply sealer or pattern paint not just for looks, but to protect against moisture and help release from the mold. A good finish is the sign of a pro. Respect the wood, and it'll reward you with a quality pattern. Don't rush, craftsmanship shows in the details. Every step counts from marking out to final finish. That's how you make patterns that last. Sometimes you need more than wood, resin and metal step up for durability and detail. Resin patterns start with a master model or mold, great for complex shapes and stability. Mix resin and hardener, precisely follow instructions, or risk a sticky mess. Work in a ventilated area with gloves, goggles and a respirator. Pour slowly to avoid bubbles. Metal patterns, aluminum, cast iron, or steel are for heavy-duty, high-volume jobs. They're made by casting and precision machining, often from a wood or resin master. Use lathes, mills, and grinders for tight tolerances and smooth finishes. Surface quality is critical. Imperfections transfer to the final casting. Metal patterns are an investment built to last but demanding to make. Mastering these materials takes skill and patience. Choose the right material for the job. The right pattern material means better results every time. Even pros hit snags. Tools dull, materials misbehave, machines act up. Don't panic. Step back and find the root cause. Check your setup, tools, and materials. Often the fix is simple. Regular maintenance is your best defense. Keep tools sharp, machines clean, and moving parts lubricated. Listen for odd sounds. Catch problems early. Replace worn blades and belts before they fail. Report serious issues. Don't risk it. The golden rules: safety first, accuracy always. Know your materials, respect your tools, never stop learning. Pattern making blends old skills with new tech. Attention to detail sets you apart. Be patient, mastery takes time. Don't get discouraged by mistakes, they're part of the process. Ask questions if you're unsure, it's smarter than guessing. Take pride in your work. You're the link between design and reality. Good pattern makers are worth their weight in gold. Stick with it, keep learning, and you'll go far. That's the craft. Done right, it's a job to be proud of.